Jai Narayan student, welcome back here. I hope all are well. Stay safe, stay home, stay healthy. But rule this, follow COVID-19. What rule? Means SMS. S means soap. M means marks. S means social distance. I hope कि all are this follow the rule. SMS. Now, myself, Nidhi Lal, today we going to discuss class 7 geography chapter number 2. Chapter name Inside Our Earth. This topic is related to subject art integration. Subject related like the chemistry also because the chemicals silica, aluminum, silica, magnesium, nickel, ferrous, etc. Now maths also why shape, volume, size, etc. So this topic is related to two subjects chemistry and maths. Now see in this chapter covered this topic you all know that first interior structure of earth, crust, mantle, core. Second types of rock, igneous rock, sedimentary rock, metamorphic rock. Third is rock cycle and last is minerals. Now see layers of the earth. Are you know that the earth our homeland is a dynamic planet. It is a constantly undergoing changes inside and outside. So what is the earth made up of? To see layers of the earth. To see the also images of also just like an onion, many layers of. So various layer is onion. So same you all know how you can take an example daily like that onion, egg, mango because onion are various layer, egg also cell. First cell is hard and hard is crust, second is mantle and third is outer core and last inner core. So same is presenting the layers of the earth. First crust and very less thickness na, yes, uppermost layer is the crust and it is the thinnest of all the layer, clear crust. Second is mantle, just beneath of the crust is the mantle which extend up the depth of 2900 kilometer and third is outer core and last is inner core, the inner layer. Okay, now next topic interior structure of earth. Are you know that I am already discussed this topic crust, mantle, core, but core is innermost layer. Are you know that? But innermost layer the core with a radius of about 3500 kilometer, but it is mainly there are two type of core, inner core and outer core. Okay, next what is crust? See what is crust? Are you see the diagram ki first layer is the uppermost layer. So the uppermost layer over the earth's surface is called the crust. It is the thinnest of all the layers, occupy 1% of earth volume. There are two types of crust. First continental crust and second oceanic crust. First continental crust thickness 35 to 40 kilometer. It is about 35 to 40 kilometer. The main mineral constituents of continental masses are silica, aluminium, thus called Cr. Si means silica, Al means aluminium. Oceanic crust, see the oceanic crust. Oceanic crust की thickness only 5 kilometer. It is the mainly consist of silica plus magnesium. Thus called SIMA. Si means silica plus silica and Ma means magnesium. The oceanic crust mainly consists of silica and magnesium. It is therefore called SIMA. Si means silica and Ma means magnesium. So I hope कि this topic is clear. Now see the diagram. Interior of the earth. First see the diagram. Continental crust is the 35 kilometer. Okay. Oceanic crust is 5 kilometer. Crust. This topic I already discussed, but first of again repeat. The uppermost layer over the earth's surface is called the crust. It is the thinnest of all the layer. It is about 35 kilometer on the continental masses and only 5 kilometer on the ocean floors. Mineral constitute of the continent masses are silica and aluminium. It is thus called Sial. The oceanic crust mainly consists of silica and magnesium. It is therefore called Sima. Now see. Yes, interior of the earth, silica plus magnesium equal to Sima. Silica and magnesium. The oceanic crust is composed of Sima. Next. Next point and next layer is mantle. Are you know that crust? The crust is the uppermost layer. Are you know that the uppermost layer over the earth's surface is called the crust, and second is mantle. Okay, now see, lies the just beneath the crust. Thickness 2900 kilometer, temperature 200 degrees Celsius to 4000 degrees Celsius. Why are you high temperature? Because जितना डीपली रहेगा उतना टेम्परेचर हाई होगा. और इसका वॉल्यूम देखिए. See the volume 82% of earth volume. Source of magma. इसका सोर्स क्या है? Magma during the volcanoes and rich in oxides and silicates of Mg and Fe. Now mantle, again repeated these definitions. Just beneath the crust is the mantle which extends up to a depth, very high depth of 2900 kilometer. You have already discussed, but this topic is again repeated. Now see, core. The innermost layer is the core with the radius of about 3500 kilometer. It is made up of nickel and iron is called Fe. And I means nickel and Fe means ferrous. So the central core has very high temperature and pressure. So the deepest mine in the world is in South Africa. It is about 4 kilometer deep. तो सेंटर ऑफ द अर्थ इज 6000 किलोमीटर डीप. आप जितना डीप जाते जाएंगे उतना टेम्परेचर और प्रेशर बढ़ेगा और वेरी हाई. इसलिए कोर सबसे ज़्यादा टेम्परेचर और सबसे ज़्यादा प्रेशर है. वाई? बिकॉज द वेरी डीपेस्ट. नेक्स्ट, कोर. दिस लेयर इज द इनरमोस्ट लेयर. The definition is, what is the core? The innermost layer is called core. Radius is 3500 kilometer, made up of nickel plus iron. So it is the mainly made up of nickel and iron and is called Fe. Fe means Ni means nickel and Fe means ferrous and iron. Clear? And very high temperature and pressure. Temperature is 4000 and 6650 degrees Celsius. So now see, 16% of earth volume and outer core thickness 2260 kilometer and liquid molten state, and inner core thickness 1255 kilometer solid state. So 1255 kilometer inner core solid state. So are you know that this diagram of C कि फर्स्ट लेयर इज crust, सेकेंड इज mantle, थर्ड इज outer core and last is radius C inner core. Now the interior of the earth, the core, nickel plus iron equal to Fe. So this topic already discussed, and all topics crust, mantle, core. So crust is uppermost layer. Are you know that uppermost layer? So the uppermost layer, another name is topmost layer. The uppermost layer, so over the earth's surface, is called the crust, and it is the thinnest of all the layers. Okay, and next today also discuss mantle. So just beneath the crust is the mantle, which extend about depth of 2900 kilometer, means ki 2900 kilometer. 2900 kilometer below the crust. And last is innermost layer. So the innermost layer is the core. Clear? So now today whatever we have discussed all topic, so homework is that you will answer and questions, and we will send the question and answer on Google form. So you will send us a text by him, and do another thing, you will make all its diagram and notes in your copy also. Clear? If you any query, please ask me.